Hey Auto Good fam, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a car that has single-handedly changed the way people think about what an SUV can be. This isn't just a car. It's a statement, a revolution, and a vehicle that has democratized luxury and premium features for a new generation of buyers. We're talking about the Hyundai Palisade, a family SUV that looks and feels premium. At its core, the Hyundai Palisade is a masterpiece of smart engineering. It's powered by a 3.8-liter V6 Atkinson cycle engine that delivers a robust 291 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. This is a significant amount of power that is sent to the front wheels or to all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. This combination allows the Palisade to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a swift 7.1 seconds, a figure that is incredibly impressive for a car of its size. But the real story is its towing capacity. With a robust 5,000-pound rating, it's more than capable of towing a small trailer or a boat for a family getaway. But the real story of the Palisade is its interior. This is a car that doesn't just look and feel premium. It is premium. The cabin is filled with high-quality materials, including beautiful premium Nappa leather seating surfaces and genuine wood trim on the higher trims. The dashboard is dominated by a stunning 12.3-inch touchscreen with a navigation system and an available digital rearview mirror. The cabin is filled with premium materials, and it offers a level of comfort that is second to none. With heated and ventilated front and rear seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, the Palisade is also a true master of practicality. It offers a generous 18 cubic feet of cargo space with the third row up, which is more than enough for a weekly grocery run. But with the rear seats folded down, that number jumps to an incredible 86.4 cubic feet, giving you enough room to carry almost anything you need. The car also has a number of clever features, including an in-car intercom system that allows the driver to communicate with the rear passengers without raising their voice, a feature that is a game-changer for a large family. In terms of pricing, the Hyundai Palisade offers a fantastic value proposition. In the US, the base SE model starts at a very competitive price of around $36,800, while the top-tier Calligraphy Night Edition starts at a significant $54,100. This pricing reflects its advanced technology, luxurious features, and high-performance capabilities, and it places it in direct competition with rivals like the Kia Telluride and Honda Pilot. The secret strength of the Hyundai Palisade and why it looks and feels premium is its uncompromising blend of a high-tech, luxurious interior with a spacious, practical, and versatile design. It's a car that proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a car that feels premium. It's a car that gives you the best of both worlds. A car that is as comfortable and luxurious as a premium SUV, but with the spaciousness and flexibility of a minivan. It's a car that proves that a great car can and should be a lot of things. Who is the Hyundai Palisade for? It's for the modern family, the tech-savvy buyer, and the person who wants a car that is both stylish and practical. It's for the driver who appreciates a car with a strong sense of personality and a commitment to genuine innovation. This car is for anyone who is ready to experience the full potential of a modern family SUV. What are your thoughts on the Hyundai Palisade? Do you think its blend of practicality and style makes it a top choice in the compact SUV market? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to AutoGood for more on the world's most incredible cars, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.